I'm just chilling, waiting for the water to go down. Just waiting for low tide. But the reef is coming out now, so we'll almost be able to get out. But before we do, let's make a little meal. And then about 30 minutes later we can really walk out. Let's try to find a little plate that we can use for our meal. That's pretty good. Maybe this one. Yeah, this one. Perfect plate. Perfect. Alright, let's eat our little meal, then we can go out for a couple hours. Maybe, let's see, it's not 2 o'clock, maybe 2 till 3 hours. We're gonna walk the flats. We'll finish off the noodles, clean up the cooking area, and we get out. Alright, all we have to do now is duct tape our shoes, because the reef destroyed them on this trip. But I still have 4 days on the island, so I need some way to fix it. Alright, I'm ready. Let's get our rod and get out. Let's have a couple casts in here first, and then we'll walk to the bit deeper spots. There's some nice pools here. Hopefully we get a triple tail again, or a bluefin. Those are the target species. They're very shallow here, but we have a quick cast. Oh, being followed. Big chase by needlefish, I think. Could be a little barracuda. Oh, I thought I was keep on touching rocks, but there's a little lizard fish on. Oh, it came off. Well, first little fish. Oh, fish up. Oh. The grouper. Well, it took long enough. Been casting for like an hour. Very dark one. Not too big, but chubby. Just do a quick release of this one. No on the watch. Oh, there he goes already. Okay, hopefully that's a sign that the fish are gonna start biting, because it's very quiet so far. Oh yeah, again. Oh, another grouper. Pretty sure. Yeah. Okay, suddenly 2 and 2 cast. A little bit smaller this one. Thank you. Chilling there. Can make it 3 and 3 casts. Maybe there's a nice bommy there. Yo, 3 and 3 casts suddenly. Okay, it can mean two things. One, the fish start biting, or we just found the cut hole, little grouper hole, honey hole. Thank you. So strange, like 1 hour, nothing, and suddenly 3 casts in a row. Well, let's see. 4th cast, same spot, or similar. Oh no, it's not really the same, but... Oh, yo! Oh, something else! Oh, what's this? Is this a trigger or something? Picasso trigger probably? No! Oh, it's a nice wrist! No way! 4 in a row! You know what, I'm gonna get better shot of this one. Oh. Although it's not hooked that well. Oh, where can I don't have a rock pool here. Give him some beautiful fish. Very stoked with this one. 17th species on this island. We're just gonna hope he's not gonna come off. Because I want to give this one an underwater release. Just gonna come back to that spot after the release. Beautiful wrasse. Bit light colored, but still fun size. Okay, let's give it an underwater release. Okay, it might jump out of my hand because it's very slippery. Okay. Thanks, buddy. There he goes. You! I broke the hook when I was dehooking, so I'm just thinking if I should keep on throwing this one or switch to another one, because it is working right now, but the hook operation ratio will be less. So have a couple more casts with this one. Leave the bag here, bring the underwater camera. Try to find the same spot. I think it was somewhere there. Let's see if we can get another one straight away. So strange how fish suddenly get active. Oh, there are triggerfish following. Yeah, then I need all the hooks. Yep. Oh. Okay, maybe I need to switch to a bait with all the hooks, because I still get bites. I think they're all triggerfish though that keep on biting. They're hard to hook anyway. Yep. Yep, fish on. Oh, triggerfish. Let's not lose this one. Surprised we catch a triggerfish with one less hook. Well, at least we're finally getting action. Should we get a nice shot with the phone, or maybe? Oh, he's already dehooked himself. Beautiful fish. Just release him like this. Am I filming? Yep. I almost fell down. Well, upward release. But because 5 fish in a couple minutes, let's get out again. Oh, yeah, fish on. Whoa. Huh? Oh, they reached me. I don't know if it's still on or not. I don't feel anything. Maybe it just came off and dropped the lure on the reef. I'm too cold to go all the way there. I don't know if we can bend out the hook. Alright, we lost the lure. I'm gonna tie on another one. I tied on my very last SSO 45S crankbait. Hopefully we don't lose this one, because they're my most successful baits of this trip. Just go back to the same spot. Pretty sure we can catch a couple more fish there. Let's tighten the drag up a little bit more. Get big out there. This color is a little bit less obvious. The other one was pink. This one is silver. Maybe. Oh, not again. You're kidding me. The same spot, I think. Oh, I got it. Okay, don't throw right in front of me. Oh, it's a fish. Oh. Read me. Please come out. Oh, I feel it. Can I get closer? It's so weird, you grabbed it instantly. I don't know where. Oh, it's all right there. Can I walk further? Ooh. I'm almost. Yeah. Isn't even that big. It's just very shallow here. My drag is tight. Well, we didn't lose another lure straight away. Maybe we give this one a little underwater release then. So. All right, thanks, buddy. Well, maybe we stay here, have a couple casts from here. All right. Gonna finish the video here. It's too windy if we go out, which is not only annoying for the video, but it's also pretty cold. The water is getting pretty high. and it's almost dark, so I finished here. It was a pretty hard session. We caught about 6 or 7 fish, I think. Little new species for this island for me though, little wrasse. But we'll try again next Saturday. So thanks for watching. See you guys next weekend.